Sasamahan ko po kayo. Lantarang po nagkakaroon ng black sand mining dyan sa Zambales. Alam ko po yung mga site. Gusto niyo po bukas na bukas, puntahan po natin yun at mapapahiya po ang DNR. Puntahan po natin yung site sa Cagayan at puntahan po natin yung site sa Ilocos, sa Mindoro, mapapahiya po kayo. Sabi niyo monitoring, puro na lang monitoring. Ang gusto ko po, hindi monitoring, implementation, hulihin kung talagang ayaw niyo po magkaroon ng black sand mining. Huwag yung po puro monitoring kasi madaling gamitin yung salita monitoring. Ang sa akin po, dapat meron pong aksyon. Na yung sinasabi niyo, na wala kayo nakikita, then tomorrow...
Hindi, may nakikita sila, alam nila. Kaya lang, ang nagbibigay ng permit is yung local government.
I know.
And supported by the local government.
Exactly, Mr. President.
Gusto nila na tulungan sila ng DILG kasi ang i-kontrolin mo yung local government.
Exactly, Mr. President, Madam Sponsor. Dapat mag-issue ng MPSA, yung Mineral Production Sharing Agreement, nang sa gayon makinabang po yung ating gobyerno, yung ating bayan. And then magpalabas ng Department Order ang DNR na kailangan may MPSA ang lahat na nagba-black sand mining, aka quarrying or dredging, at kapag halimbawa hindi po sumunod at patuloy pa ginagawa yon, so implementation-wise, pwede na pong gamitin dyan yung power ng ating DILG to the PNP para paghuhulihin sila. And we can also use the Bureau of Customs because yan po ini-export sa China.
Sabi po ng DNR, yung local government, DILG daw, local government ang nag-i-issue ng permit dyan. According to the rules, 5 hectares and below, local government. Sila daw, wala pa silang nai-issue permit dyan. It's always the local government.
Thank you, Madam Sponsor. Thank you, Mr. President. Then in that case, meron po dyan sa Zambales na more than 5 hectares, then bakit hindi nyo po puntahan yon? Ang point ko rito, kung talagang pro-environment ang ating DNR Secretary, mag-issue siya na Department Order, I challenge her, na saying there is now an order putting a stop to all black sand mining. Blah, 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 blah.
They cannot daw stop 5 hectares and below. They can only stop yung more than 5 hectares because it is the power of the local government to issue 5 hectares and below. So if it can be determined that it's more than 5 hectares, then they can stop it.
Go to Zambales and you can see that.
Baka ginagawa po nila, ini-issuehan nila tigpa 5 hectares para under the DILG. Tapos hindi, iba-iba ang pangalan.
Okay
kasi,
nga. Mr. President, Madam Sponsor, so alam niyo yung modus. So alam niyo pala yung modus, so bakit di niyo po buwagin yung modus na yan? Kayo po mismo nagsabi from your mouth na iniiba-iba yung portion, hinahati-hati.
So they promised to work with DILG and DPWH to be able to enforce that.
But for the meantime, Mr. President, Madam Sponsor, mag-issue ng Department Order ang DNR kung talagang pro-environment sila, stating na yung black sand mining is illegal from now on at wala na pong magba-black sand mining dito sa Pilipinas using the pretext na yun ay quarrying or dredging. At yung mga hindi sumunod ay huhulihin because right now, like I said for the second time, ini-export po ito sa China. Anay kinabang po yung China.
Alam naman natin lahat yan.
Exactly, alam po natin yan, Madam Sponsor.
But,
so what are we going to do about it kung alam na natin
So
yan?
they will issue daw a department order
Thank
prohibiting black sand mining according to the
Thank you.
law. Oo,
Yes,
and then,
according to the law.
kung halimbawa magpalusot yung local government, then they have to coordinate with DILG and DPWH to stop that practice of the local government. Common knowledge naman po na talaga may gusto nito local government.
Good. So, if I heard it right, sabi po ninyo, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, so mag-issue na po Department Order ang DNR banning black sand mining in the Philippines.
Okay.
Did I hear it right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. I'll take your word for it. And gusto ko pong makita yung pong ipapalabas yung department order, give me a copy of it, and everybody's gonna be happy.
You cannot